A lonely cafe light flickered at the edge of the quiet street, a single beacon in the stillness of the night. Inside, a young woman sat with a cup of tea, its steam long gone, her eyes fixed on an old letter resting on the table. A waiter, noticing her stillness, approached her with a gentle smile. "Are you waiting for someone?" he asked softly, not wanting to break the fragile peace. She looked up, a faint, sad smile touching her lips. "Not anymore," she replied, her voice barely a whisper. "This letter, it's from a friend I lost years ago. Today is the first time I've had the courage to read it." The waiter nodded in understanding. "Sometimes," he said wisely, "the people we lose still find ways to reach us, don't they?" She carefully folded the letter, her gaze drifting out the window to the vast, starry sky. "Maybe love doesn't leave," she whispered to the night. "It just changes its place."